Maraming salamat po pagkarating kayo lahat. Kahit malayo, kahit umuulan, nandito kayo. Kaya thank you God din ang pinagpara tayo. Araw na ito, hindi na tuloy-tuloy ang ulan. So thank you guys for coming. And then for Gian and Denver, congratulations on your wedding day. And to Ate, thank you for being my daughter. Thank you for the love you give us and the family. Kaya nang nalulungkot ako, makikita ko yung kwarto mo. Wala naman kami. And also, I'm proud of you kasi mula na nag-aral ka, naging masunurin kang anak. Nakita ko din yung struggle mo sa pag-apply mo sa mga work, which is naging successful ka naman. Ang sabi ko na sa inyo, nag-aaral kayo, aral lang anak. Pagdating ang nagkatrabaho kayo, pwede na kayo magkakapatya, pwede na mo na yung friends nyo. And nung narating mo na nga yung pagiging successful mo sa career mo, sabi ko, bakit hindi pa nagkakasawa si ate? Parang sumobra na niya yung ibig ko. Kaya na November, sabi ko, siguro this time, baka magiging matangalang boyfriend na to. So, November, salamat sa pagbabakan kay Gian. Sana, forever talaga. And then, alam mo naman si Gian, iyakin yan sa lahat, right? So, congratulations again. Thank you. Hello po. On behalf of our family, of course, my incredible son-in-law, Denver family, we would like to welcome everyone. Thank you for choosing to spend the day with us for this wonderful celebration. To begin with, please allow me to read some words of wisdom for them of the new year. Dear Denver, with the love we share today, grow stronger as we grow older together. May journey together bring you more joy than you can imagine.
Because it's only 3.
We today begin to dream of a long, happy life together. Wishing you joy, love, happiness on this wonderful day as you begin your life together. I wish you a lifetime of love and happiness together. May your marriage be blessed with all of life's goodness. I wish your marriage filled with love, trust, and happiness. My father, daughter, congratulations on your wedding day.